Welcome to RankUpturn. RankUpturn is a reliable, automated, and sustainable digital infrastructure for all types of education institutes to scale up the digital transformation journey. It provides all the necessary tools and resources to automate the classroom and curriculum activities, accumulate the critical data, stay closely connected with the students, and to understand and fill the learning needs of students statistically in real time.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TaskMaker and learning resources to save time on repeated tasks. So here in the main dashboard, you can able to see the curriculum module, right? You can click on the curriculum module. So now here you can able to view the curriculum which has been created based on grades in the subject. Now you can click on a desired curriculum. So I'm just going with 6th grade max. So here you can click on expand all so that you can able to view the connected learning resources here. You can click on a particular learning resources and you can able to check it. So what kind of learning resources has been attached. So here you can able to see the learning resources, right? So once for a particular curriculum, the connected learning resources has been connected in the sense that can be viewed by teachers as well as both the students can also able to view the connected learning resources here. And also you can move on to the TaskMaker. So under the TaskMaker here you can able to view the templates which has been created by other admins as well as like the teachers who has created that can be viewed here. For example, here you can able to see the template which is for integers addition and subtraction. It's kind of quiz type for mathematics subject for the grade 6th grade. So this particular template can be used by other teachers also who is taking class for 6th grade mathematics. No, all the teachers can able to use this particular template for their particular classroom. I'm just going to click on this so that here you can able to see what kind of template has been created. You can click on the next and you can able to view the questions. So this will be helpful for the teachers for conducting the test for a particular classroom. No, this will be helpful for the teachers. So this is how as an institution admin you can able to use the TaskMaker and the learning resources to save time on repeated tasks. Thanks for watching. Get started with a free subscription today. RankUpturn LMS is an innovative one-stop solution. Provides all the necessary tools and channels for your institution to systematically amplify the personalized learning, automate the classroom and curriculum activities, and provides the proper channels for all stakeholders to statistically understand and fill the learning needs in real time. Happy teaching and learning.